Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail polish strips that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Dashing Diva Lavender Dreams Gel Nail Strips. The Dashing Diva Gel Strips offer a quick and easy way to achieve salon-quality nails at home. These gel nail stickers are designed to last up to 14 days without chipping, so you can enjoy a polished look for 2 full weeks. The Lavender Dreams design features a stylish mix of gray lavender and ivory shades with sparkling gold and rose gold glitter accents, giving your nails a beautiful shine. Applying the strips is simple and fast. Just prep your nails, stick on the strips, and file off the excess. Plus, there's no need for UV light or drying time, making your manicure hassle-free and ready in minutes. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Dashing Diva Gloss Nail Strips Crystal Clear. The Dashing Diva Gloss Strips offer a quick and easy way to get beautiful gel nails without the hassle of polish. These strips are designed to last up to 2 weeks, so you can enjoy a chip-resistant manicure that stays glossy and fresh. The crystal clear design features soft pink tones with elegant marbling and glitter accents, giving your nails a stylish and polished look. Applying them is simple and fast. Just prep your nails, stick on the strips, and file off the excess. Plus, there's no need for UV light, making the process safer and more convenient for you. At number 3, we have the Dashing Diva Fall Florals Nail Strips Bundle. The Dashing Diva Fall Florals offers 2 beautiful nail strip sets, Alpine Retreat and Wildflower, perfect for refreshing your look with a shiny, polished finish. These gel nail strips save you time by eliminating drying, letting you achieve salon-quality nails in minutes without the mess of polish. They are designed to resist chips, so your manicure stays fresh for up to 2 weeks, giving you long-lasting beauty. Applying them is simple. Just prep your nails, stick on the strips, and file off the excess, all without needing UV light. This makes it easy to get a flawless, glossy manicure at home, quickly and effortlessly. At number 2, we have the Ohora Semi-Cured Gel Nail Strips and Classic Burgundy. The ohora gel nail strips offer a complete nail art set that includes 30 nail wraps in various sizes, plus prep pads, a nail file, and a wooden stick, making it easy for you to achieve a polished look at home. These gel nails are semi-cured, fitting all nail shapes perfectly, so whether your nails are round or square, they'll look great. Thanks to a waterproof top layer, they can stay chip-free for up to 2 weeks when cured under a UV lamp, giving you long-lasting results. Plus, they are designed for quick and simple application and removal, helping you get salon-quality nails in just minutes. And finally, at number 1, we have the Maitys Full Wrap Nail Stickers. Maitys Full Wrap Nail Stickers come with 10 sheets of full nail wraps and 2 pieces of fingernail files. Each sheet contains 14 pieces of nail polish stickers in different sizes, a variety of colors and designs for you to choose to make your nails look gorgeous at every moment. These full wrap nail stickers are designed with stickiness, can be pasted in your nails easily, and not easy to be unglued. Also waterproof and can keep a beautiful look for several days. These self-adhesive DIY nail decal strips are designed with classic colors and beautiful patterns. You can see clearly from our pictures. These exquisite patterns will decorate your nails to be more attractive and make your fingers look slenderer. They can be combined with nail polish. You can apply them to embellish your nails for various occasions, like dating, wedding, party, working, gathering, etc. Also suitable for Christmas, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving Day, Independence Day, and other festivals. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.